After Xiaomi, now it's time for Redmi to launch their own truly wireless solution. This is the Redmi Earbuds S, and in today's video, I'm going to try them out and share some of my thoughts on them. Hey guys, Omar here from C4eTech, and if you do end up enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get started. So this is the carrying case that the Redmi Earbuds S come in. It's got a matte black finish to it that I love. Up top we have a reflective Redmi branding etched into it. To the bottom we have some info, and to the back of the box, well, we have the micro USB port there for charging. Opening it up, we have the earbuds themselves. Now guys, the earbuds come with this small red tape at the bottom. That's there so that the earbuds don't completely drain the battery of the case. Now we have to remove them so that the charging points on the earbuds can make contact with those on the case itself. The earbuds themselves are held into their slots by magnets, so even if the case is held upside down, they won't fall out. The lid doesn't have any magnets, but it still makes a satisfying snap when shutting close. Now we had a little bit of a tough time pairing the Mi Air Dots, but Redmi here has simplified the process a whole lot. All we need to do is wait for a couple of seconds when we first take the earbuds out of the case. After that, the right earbud starts blinking white, and then we can search and pair the earbuds with our device. The whole process is very fast and seamless, no hassle at all. And what's more, next time we take the earbuds out of the box, they connect automatically to our device. There's no buttons that we need to press or anything else to fiddle around with. Redmi has done a great job to improve the usability of the earbuds. So, how do they feel once they're inside my ears? Well, first off, they are very light, weighing in at just 4.1 grams each. And thanks to the in-ear style, the fit here was great. The Redmi Earbuds S fit snug into my ears, and I listened to them continuously for a couple of hours without any discomfort. Now Xiaomi has also included different sized earbuds, so even if the default ones don't fit, we can switch to a smaller or larger sized earbud. In fact, overall, I prefer the fit and finish of the Redmi earbuds over that of the Mi TWS2. These are smaller, lighter, and don't have the annoying sound leak issue. Also, like the Mi TWS2, I ran up and down the stairs and shook my head around, but the earbuds stayed firmly in place. In fact, the Redmi earbuds can even be used in gym thanks to the IPX4 certification. Now the fit and finish here is really good, but what about the sound? Well, for the 7.2mm driver that we have in here, these deliver really thumping bass. The sound stage here is geared more towards the low ends, and there was really clear separation between the lows and mids. We also tried watching a few YouTube videos, and the dialogue came through crisp and clear, no latency issues. Now, as far as phone calls go, we did try it out, and thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0, the connection here was rock solid, and the range was good too. Redmi claims that the DSP, that's the digital signal processor, inside the Earbuds S can perform intelligent environmental noise cancellation. But there's one thing to note here. The noise cancellation being performed is purely software based. There's no secondary mic in here for noise cancelling. As far as codec support goes, we have SBC or the standard streaming codec support. So no aptX or LDAC support in here. That being said, I'm really pleased with the Redmi Earbuds S. Despite their small size, they can get quite loud and pack quite the punch. However, due to the size and weight limitations, we only have a 40 mAh battery inside each earbud. Redmi claims about 4 hours of battery life, but in our testing we found out that at around 80% volume, the Redmi Earbud S lasted us around 3.5 hours. Of course, we can save on battery consumption by using one earpiece at a time. It worked out quite well during our testing. We could just take the right or left earbud out and put it inside the case, and the music would continue playing through the other earbud. Putting them in TWS mode is as easy as taking the other one out of the case, and they should connect back automatically. Also, the carrying case comes with a 300 mAh battery that should be able to charge up the earphones up to 3 times. So Xiaomi estimates a total 12 hours of playback with both earphones plus carrying case. As far as charge timings go, the earbuds take around 1.5 hours to go from 0 to fully charged within the case. As for the case plus the earbuds, the combo can be charged fully in about 2 hours. We also have an LED to the front of the case that turns red while charging and green once fully charged. So that's it for the pros. Now on to the cons then. Now there's one thing about the design of these earbuds that I didn't quite like. On the top we have a physical key that we need to press once or twice depending on what we want to do. Well, every time I tried doing that, the earbuds would move a bit within my ear and I didn't like that at all. Since we are talking about controls, let me walk you guys through what these earbuds can do. So first off, a single tap on either ear plays or pauses the music. If a phone is coming in, we can use a single tap to receive the call and tap it once more to cut the call. We can also tap the button twice while on a call to mute the earbuds. And we can also accept another incoming call while the previous call is going on. That's it for the call controls. Normally, double tapping calls up Google Assistant or Siri. So yes, we can pair this with any Android or iOS device. And finally, triple tapping brings up the low latency game mode. This brings down the latency to 122 milliseconds, which is the same as what we have on the Apple AirPods Pro. We tried playing PUBG with it and honestly it works quite well. The delay between seeing things on screen and hearing them, an issue we faced with the Mi TWS2, was nearly solved here. So those are all the controls, and sadly there's no way to change them via an app. That means no way to increase or decrease volume or skip tracks. The former I'm okay with, but I really wish there was an easier way of skipping tracks than having to fish out my phone or calling on Google Assistant, which can at times be kinda tricky. Now that we have covered all the features of the Redmi Earbuds S, finally it's time to talk price. Well, as of filming this video, I don't have any official confirmation of the price, but going by the Chinese price of 99 yuan or about 1000 Indian rupees, I'd expect Redmi to price these under 2000 rupees. Now if you're looking to buy a truly wireless Bluetooth earbud in this price range, then the Redmi Earbuds S make for a fine choice. Yes, we are missing out on some features like in-ear detection, and the sound may not be as colorful as the Mi True Wireless earphones too, but these are supposed to be nearly half the price. So for an affordable TWS solution, the Redmi Earbuds S manages to impress. So those have been my thoughts on the Redmi Earbuds S. Now I wanna know, what do you guys think? Do you like the feature set that it brings to the table, or would you like some other Bluetooth headset? Maybe something like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, or maybe some other truly wireless solution. Let us know via the comments below. That's about it for this video. Like, share, subscribe and all that. And oh, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching till the end, guys. Have a good one. Cheers.